I found Action Jackson. Is he napping? Is he sleeping? Is he? I think he's awake.
I'm also asleep.
All right. Tell us, what is this going to challenge be about?
So hi kids. Hi kids. We're having a monster truck challenge. These are all red trucks. There's 12 of them, and there's a front ramp and a Sky Wheelie ramp. And there's gonna be a special bag at the end I need to show you. Where's that blue bag I saw? Oh, and this is the special bag. So the bag is going to be in here, kids. So the first one we have is Alien Bus.
Alien Bus. All right. Let me get you to come on the other side to launch it so I can get a better shot of it. Okay, this is Alien Bus. I like Alien Bus. Okay, what are these points worth?
Daddy, what does that mean?
Well, how many points for each hole?
So kids, if you get a 1, that means 100. If you get a 2, that means 200. If you get a 3, that's a 300.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
Nope. No points.
Next we have Bowser. Bowser usually lost yesterday.
Whoa! Bowser went in the 200.
Yes.
Oh, I missed it. Can you do it again?
Okay. Get in, man. Maybe because he was too fast.
100.
Oh, so we got 300 boost.
Okay, who's next?
So, kids, I put one more truck, and I'm doing it last because it's really cool. Next, we have Batman.
Batman. All right. Jackson, come on this side so I can see. So everybody can see it launch. Okay, I'm ready.
Let me fix this far one in the Sky Wheelie. I hope he goes on the Sky Wheelie.
Whoa, 100 points.
He usually had it at 3 point. He usually had it 2 point yesterday, and now we have 100. So now we have the 300. Congratulations for Batman.
I like Batman.
Next we have Spooky Night.
Spooky Night.
Bam! Ouch! Ooh. Oh, that was cool.
Okay, you ready to launch Spooky Night?
Oh, I'm trying to make him do a back wheelie. Oh, that was cool. Okay, I'm just launching him. Oh, Daddy, we forgot the countdown.
Countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, 100 points. Wasn't pretty, but it counts.
It still counts. Next we have Mommy's favorite.
Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman.
Let's get a good look at Wonder Woman.
I'm calling you Pumpkin Earth Shaker. So we had a new name for Earthshaker. His name is Pumpkin Earthshaker.
Pumpkin Earthshaker. Why are you calling him Pumpkin Earthshaker?
Because he's Earthshaker, and I want him to be a Pumpkin Earthshaker. So that's why it's called Pumpkin Earthshaker.
Okay, fair enough.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, 100 points.
It almost got up to a 200.
Almost.
It was like right here at the edge. Good job. Next we have Earthshaker.
Pumpkin Earthshaker.
Yeah, Pumpkin Earthshaker. Pumpkin Earthshaker ready for launching in. Oh, I see now why it's not going into a 200 or 300 because it's not aiming right. Dad, kid, did you know Amy is really important? Because Amy is what you want to go.
100 points.
Oh, that was cool. Next, we have dinosaur. Pumpkin dinosaur.
Okay, is everything going to be pumpkin today?
No, it's just dinosaur. We're only calling one a pumpkin. It's called our shaker. Pumpkin Earth Shaker. I think you did a wheelie, man. Bye-bye. Kids, did you know every time when I put them back, they always do a backflip?
Nope, no points.
But it's hanging, kids. Next, we have Boom.
Boom.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Boom didn't get points either.
Flash.
Flash.
Got stuck on my Flash.
Flash didn't do so good.
Yeah.
He's stuck.
Kids, did you know he's in the mud now? The sticky mud. Now he's stuck. I'm dead. Remember, I'm trying you again, Flash. You didn't went pretty.
Woo! 100 points for Flash.
Oh, that is more like it, Flash. I'm trying to get you to a 300. Samuel!
Flash is not doing good. Nope. Stuck on the ramp. Nope, he's in the pile of monster trucks. Oh, finally Flash got 100 points.
No, he got 200 points now.
200, okay.
Not really good, Flash.
200 out of 20 attempts.
He
He got stuck.
Kids, he went like this. He did it like that.
100 points.
No 300
Well,
points.
total of 300, but 100 for that.
No, he did a 100, 200. He got like 300s.
He's got a total of 300.
Yeah, total of 300. You are fired!
But he's your favorite.
He's fired because he went somewhere when I was launching Flash. You are fired, man. Bad thing. Bad buffalo. You're a bad
Is
buffalo.
it a buffalo or a bull? Hold that up.
I think he's a bull. He's a bull guy, kids.
Okay, let's launch him anyway.
I'm giving you last, Arto Loco, because I really like you and I don't want to ruin your day.
All right, who do we have up?
Speed limit.
Speed limit.
Without me, Jokey.
And we got Joker over here.
He's doing it too.
Okay.
I'm gonna kick you out, doggy. No, you're not. Ow! You're going last, Jokey. Wah! Jokey, you're gonna go first than him, and I don't want to ruin your day, man. And you're going after these two. Wah! I'm kidding. No.
Bye, Jokey.
He's staying.
Okay, well, let's launch something.
3, 2, 1, go!
Nope. Not even close.
Now Jokey.
Jokey's up.
3, 2, 1, go. Stuck man.
Stuck in the mud. Poor little Jokey.
I'm doing him again. Reverend Jim.
Dial. 100 points.
I'm gonna get him into a 200 man. No one ever getting a 200 or 300.
Well, hit it harder. Here, let me launch this one.
No, let me do it. I think I.
Nope. Here,
Daddy.
let me launch one.
Okay, you can. No, Daddy, you're launching Jokey.
Jokey. All right, I'll launch Jokey. Here we go. We got Jokey. 3, 2, 1.
Smack, Dad.
200 points.
Actually, got like a double, a 100 and a 200.
So that makes
300.
300 points for Jokey. Then we got a doggy and
Now we have Doggy. Crush Doggy.
Crush Doggy. You want me to do it? 3. Nope. 100 points for Doggy.
No, I'm doing him.
I want to do that one.
No, let me do it.
I want to do it.
I'm amazing of him.
200 points for what's his face?
His name is Hot Wheels Garbage Truck.
Hot Wheels Garbage Truck.
Number 21.
All right, now we've got Toro Loco.
Oh yeah, Arco Loco. Ow!
Let's get over there.
Kids, did you know this is a hard one? I'm gonna throw it. No points.
That's not. No, I'm not counting that. That's cheating.
Ah.
Nope. You gotta launch him to get those points.
I'm gonna get you at 300, so I'm gonna slam you.
All right.
I'm slamming him off because I want him to get 300 points.
Nope, didn't work. There, get on the other side so everybody can see. Ah, stuck in the mud.
Daddy, can you try it again?
Okay, here we go.
100.
El Toro Loco. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, so close. Let's try that again.
I'm not counting him for 200, so that's
All right.
a 0.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Oh well.
Daddy, let's do Hotel Loco till he gets that 300 points.
El Toro Loco again in 3, 2,
Slam
1.
it, Dad.
Oh, so close.
Daddy, can I try?
Sure. Nope, didn't make it.
Will it land on its wheels? Daddy, can you try?
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Nope, didn't make it again.
Okay.
Nope.
Daddy, Daddy, can we please? Daddy, can you try?
I'll just put him in there.
Will it still count?
Sure, why not? 300 points for El Toro Loco.
Kids, now do you know what? We get to open special bag.
Okay, what do you got in the bag?
It's a surprise, kids. This is the bag.
Come over here so everybody can see it.
Are you ready, kids?
Okay, where did you get this?
So it was from the Nikes.
The Yankees.
The Yankees, kids.
If they came to yours, where'd they come?
They came to the cafeteria where I get my breakfast
Cool.
and my lunch sometimes.
Give everybody presents.
Uh-huh.
All right, let's see it.
Okay, kids.
Whoa!
It's a ring, kids.
That's huge.
It's a huge ring, kids.
Oh, look, put it on your finger and show me. Wow, that is big. Let's see that. That is so cool.
And it has a candy name too.
What does it say on there?
I don't know.
Baby Ruth.
Baby Ruth, kids.
I don't know why it doesn't say Babe Ruth, but it does say Baby Ruth. And who was Babe Ruth?
Nikes.
He was an early Yankee player.
Early Yankee player.
Baby Ruth. I'm not sure why that says Baby Ruth, but that is pretty cool. And did they give everybody one of these?
Yup.
The Yankees gave all kids one of these? That is pretty amazing. All right. Say goodbye to all the kids.
Goodbye, all the kids. Goodbye, kids.
Say it again.
Goodbye, kids.